Welcome to RK's online classes. Look at the typical problem of collision. A moving sphere P collides with another sphere Q which is at rest, that is u to 0. If collision takes place along the line joining their center of mass such that their total kinetic energy is conserved. That means the collision is one dimension and elastic. Okay. Elastic collision is the one in which both momentum and kinetic energy are conserved. And the fraction of kinetic energy transferred by colliding particle is 8/9. So you have to find the ratio of the masses. You have to find the ratio of m1 by m2. Okay, so look at this. So we know that a sphere of mass m1 collides with a sphere of mass m2 which is at rest and collision is perfectly elastic. The fraction of energy transferred to the second body is given by 4m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 whole square. Okay. That is given as 8/9. But if we substitute fraction of energy transfer 8/9, this becomes a complicated calculation. So better look at the other formula. So the fraction of energy retained is m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 whole square. So if fraction of energy transferred is 8/9, retained is 1/9. So m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 whole square is 1/9. From that you can easily get m1 by m2 is 2/1. Okay. So it's a very easy when you take the second formula instead of taking the first formula. Okay. So thank you. So subscribe to Clark's classes for more important videos.